Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on dark mode on TokenPocket. To enable dark mode on TokenPocket application, first of all, open up your TokenPocket app from your mobile device and sign in. After signing into your wallet, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, you will be able to see a little sunlight icon. At the top right, simply tap on it to change your mode on TokenPocket. You will notice that you have successfully enabled the dark mode on TokenPocket. The dark mode will be easy on eyes and stress your eyes less while operating the app, so that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.